Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an increasingly relevant topic. Yes, the impact of our current economic environment on individual well being, specifically focusing on financial anxiety. So, this piece was taken from BBC titled Financial Anxiety, the Alarming Side Effect of Inflation, dated October 11, 2023. So, over recent years, many have observed the escalating cost of living. What is alarming is how this surge is coinciding with an unstable economy, leading to a widespread sense of panic about personal finances. So, we are talking about inflation. This isn't a localized issue. The rising cost of living isn't a localized issue. Across the globe, billions are feeling the pinch in their pockets, and consequently in their minds as well. So it is essential to highlight that the problem isn't primarily about job loss. After the pandemic, most economies witnessed low unemployment or low unemployment rates. Instead, the genuine concern emerges when our incomes do not match the rising tide of inflation. So there is employment, but the problem is with the mismatch between incomes and inflation, rising tide of inflation. This imbalance is setting off alarm bells for countless individuals. So let's take a moment to truly understand what financial anxiety means. It's the stress or worry stemming from our financial situations. It is about the looming debt, the increasing expenses, and the unsettling question of long term financial stability. And this isn't just a concern for those living from paycheck to paycheck. Even traditionally well off, rich individuals are feeling this strain. In essence, financial anxiety is an all encompassing storm, sparing none, right? Now, if we narrow down to specific regions, the UK, for instance, stands at the precipice of this issue. Predictions for 2023 suggest a 7.2% rise, faster than any other advanced economy. On the American side, although inflation seems to be receding faster, the financial strain persists, primarily attributed to the lower minimum wage compared to regions like the United Kingdom. One of the profound implications of this financial strain is its impact on mental health. The uncertainty stemming from our financial situations is a recipe for anxiety. It is about the helplessness of not having a plan or the fear of drifting away from our personal financial goals. And this anxiety isn't silent, it shouts, often resonating with feelings of impending financial ruin, impacting our self worth and self image. To give you an idea, to give you an idea of the gravity, a UK study indicates that 30% of participants experienced deteriorating mental health due to the economic downturn. Among the age group 25 to 34, this rate jumps to a staggering 48%. In the United States, a survey revealed that over half of the respondents felt that money posed a negative impact on their mental health. Financial anxiety doesn't stop at just personal well being, it is Its ramifications spread to work, affecting job performance, stunting chances of promotions, and even spilling into personal realms, causing strains in relationships. In fact, financial woes rank among the leading reasons for divorces, especially in the Western economies. But despite the grim picture, there is a ray of hope. It lies in breaking the chains of societal stigma surrounding financial stress. Speaking about money troubles should not be a taboo. It is crucial now more than ever to push past the hesitance and seek the support one needs. Financial anxiety left unchecked can spiral, but professional support can offer transformative solutions. To conclude, as we navigate these turbulent economic waters, it is essential to remember that our mental and emotional well being is intertwined with our financial health. Let's be proactive, seek the help we need, and encourage open conversations about financial well being. So, thank you all of you. To watch more videos of this type, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like, share, and comment this video. If you want to join a civil service course, here is one. There will be 126 recorded lectures, test series with 2400 plus questions, class notes for each lectures, and 100 plus flashcards. We are offering this. If you are interested, please visit iasindepth.com and join the course. So thank you all of you. See you in next video.